Hello friends, this is Eden from Eden's Kitchen. Today I will be cooking steamed fish and vegetables. Okay, here are the ingredients. Fish fillet, ground black pepper, cayenne pepper, salt, lemon, spring onions, tomatoes, ginger, red onions, red bell pepper. Okay, let's start preparing them. Okay, let's use aluminum foil. Okay, now let's start with this fish. First, let's put some salt, ground black pepper, cayenne pepper, ginger, onions, tomatoes, red bell pepper, slice lemon, and that's it. Just cover it like this tightly, yeah, and then close ng ganon on both sides. Okay, let's do the other one. Okay, the same procedure. I love cayenne pepper. This is very healthy. This is actually one of my husband's favorite dish. Okay, itong ginger talagang nagbibigay ng masarap na flavor. Okay, habang ginagawa natin to, nagbo-boil na tayo ng water. Okay, let's start now. Now the water is almost boiling. We can put this plate and then place natin itong dalawang fish fillet natin. Okay. And let's cover it. Yes. Like that. For 8 to 10 minutes. While I'm waiting for our beautiful fish, I will prepare the vegetables. Okay, let's see. Okay, open po natin and check it. Mag-check po tayo ng isa. Oh, it's very hot. Oof. Buksan po natin. Ito po, ang hinahanap natin. Oof, smells so good and it looks so healthy. Okay, ayan po ang ating fast and easy steamed fish recipe. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Bye! Happy cooking!